I'm Yvonne. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. If you have, thank you for coming back. And if you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as part of, the team, I would love to have you as part of our team. So go ahead and thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So today I'll be doing a video. You already know because you clicked on it, but it's about this hair, and I am going to be just showing you how you define the curls a little more, or if you want the option, I have sniffles, but if you have the option, to have like a bigger, more like vavoom, like big hair, or you can have more of a defined curl like this. So I'll be showing you how to go from this to this. So I'll be showing you how to do that. So this is how the hair turned out. I just defined the curls, and I didn't really need that much to do this. It doesn't take you that long. Don't need that many ingredients. What you do need is this type of hair, and this is Allen curl. So you do need this type of hair in order to do this. These are super defined curls, and I don't know if you can do this with like other kind. You can do it with Brazilian hair too, but Allen curl I found gives you the most defined in terms of weaves, this type of texture. So I'll go ahead and get into that video right now, and I'll be back after you finish watching this.
So in order to start this, all you need is water and Aussie conditioner, or any conditioner that you have, and a little bottle. They can put like a spray bottle, and you just mix that together. And you just section off your hair. You'll need these little butterfly clips, or just a hair tie, whatever works best for you. So it's best to work in small sections. I found that to be just the best. And have a towel too, just because you can get a little wet. Yeah, I mean, so you're just spraying and you're running through it with your fingers, and that's literally it. That is all you're doing. You're spraying this and you're running it through your fingers, and just go small section by small section. And that's what I'm doing. So I just did that side. I just did that small section, and now I'm going to start another little section. But that section is actually not that little, but I'm starting that section as well. So yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing for this video. So I'm going to put it in fast forward mode in a bit here, but that is all I'll be doing. Please feel free to fast forward if it gets like too repetitive, but I just kind of wanted to get more in depth in what I'm doing. So all I am doing is spraying and running my fingers through it. Baby girl, can you talk today? But that's all I'm doing, and that's what I'm gonna be doing until I get to the front, and I'll show you guys how I like volumize it a little bit, and I'll show you that. Here I am halfway through, and I am going to I'm going to be doing the front of it now. And again, I'm doing the same thing. I am spraying that conditioner water into my hair. So I did that for the rest of the hair, and I'm just combing my hair through like I've been doing. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this Aussie Volume gel, and honestly I prefer my got to be spray, but I couldn't find it. And I'm just gonna put I'm gonna spray on this rat tail comb right here on one side, and then I'm gonna turn it over and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And this is just to bump up the front a little bit, just to get like a little volume. And I find that my got to be glue honestly did a much better job at this. So if you have got to be glue spray, that will work a lot better. And this is basically the final look. So this is the before and this is the after. Yeah, I like them both. I thought it's pretty easy and it's versatile, and you know, you do what you like.
Alright, so as you just saw, it wasn't that difficult to do. I did it in a matter of minutes, and I didn't need that many ingredients, and I love my Aussie products. Didn't need that much to do this. I think it looks really good. I love this hair. And here's let me stand up. Here's the rest of it. I love this hair, and I've done a video on this hair already, and I'll put it in the cart above. But I've done a video on this hair. I absolutely love it. It's from Leah B Bundles, and I have a 16-inch frontal and 3 bundles of 24 inches. 24, what the heck am I? Is it 24? 22. 24 inches, and I absolutely love it. Like, even if when the curls are defined, it's still super full. And I know there's some people when they define the curls, it seems like the hair is like a lot thinner, and I didn't want that. That's why I added more bundles. So this was a pretty to the point video. I got a lot of questions about this hair and about how to define the curls, so I just wanted to do a more straightforward video on focusing on just that. So that's why I did this video. But that's why I did this video, and let me know what you guys think. What do you like? Do you like it all like boom and like big, or do you like more of a like defined curl like this? I personally like a mixture of both. So I do like the curls defined, but I also like it a little like bigger. So when I do it, I tend to like have it big, like not too defined. Does that make sense? I'm like in the middle, but I'm also really loving like the big hair, and I kind of want to do that a look with it, you know what I mean? I want to do like a look with that, and I think that'd look really nice. But I also like the curls really defined like this too. So I love this, and I think it looks super pretty, and it looks a little like beachy and sexy. It looks a little sexy too. So I love this, and I'm into it. Tell me what you think in the description below. And again, if you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate having you part of the family. I'd really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know also what kind of videos would you guys like to see. I'm gonna do more hair, and I also want to do beauty videos. I want to mix it up a little bit. But yes, like I've been doing, actually I've been mixing it up. But yeah, so let me know what you think. And I'm Yvonne. I'm still polishing this gold, and I hope you continue to do so too.